Singing. Okay. What timing? What timing? Ready? Action. Got it.
I think most people know कि हाँ काबिल is a story of it's a love story where two blind people and something bad happens and he takes revenge.
और एक अंधा आदमी वो कैसे लोगों को ढूंढता है और कैसे रिवेंज लेता है, यही कहानी की यूसली है.
The rod comes. We should go for the hit.
Lighting wise, our face is fine. The action, of course, was difficult because I could not make eye contact. I didn't know where the punch was coming from. I didn't know where the ditch was over which I had to jump.
अगर आपने यहाँ से तो 1, 2,
Action.
My eyes are looking there, and I know that I can fall. I will fall if I don't time my steps right. So I literally had to kind of become Rohan and absorb the powers that he has in the script.
Action.
ये mind blowing था. I think that's the first time in the film where I actually stopped and I said that wait, you know, how are we going to do this? How am I going to do this? Because this and this and this and this. I'll either come to you or else I'll call him. Idhar aa. Catch him, Nada. And say the line. Thak is fast. Thak and I can't see. I have to kind of like. I actually literally had to fight blind.
रितिक का क्या है ना कि he starts living the character and that is not just on set. वो सेट से जाते भी हैं तो उनके दिमाग में वही चल रहा, अगले दिन की शूट चल रही है. Don't come forward. It has to be, you know, that people should feel. Don't and come to here.
A lot of it was based on music. It was based on rhythm, on timing. So that was difficult. The main action sequence was with Ronit because he was so incredibly fit and so up to doing every single thing with such energy and enthusiasm and sharpness, you know, to detail.
घर पे जाके रिवाइंड करके ठीक से देख.
Camera rolling. Action. 3, 2, 1. Got it? निकालो बाहर.
In the whole film, there is a lot of intelligence by the character. He uses his brain, he uses his intelligence, he uses the places to his advantage.
I used to sit for 10, 15 days एक एक्शन पे कि वो कैसे हमें चीज़ें नई चीज़ें डाले कि एक अंधा आदमी कैसे साउंड के साथ प्ले करके रिवेंज लिया.
Thanks to the entire team of Shyamji and his entire action crew.
रोहन भटनागर.
अरे तू कहाँ है बता.
आएगा ना. डरेगा तो नहीं.
I would give a major amount of credit to Shyam Kaushal and to Ritik.
That required a lot of skill, but I'm happy with what I see now in the film. So hard work pays, I guess.